In this video, we review Unified Endpoint Manager JSON editor for policy management in Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 5.5. This is a new feature in Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 5.5 that lets you create and edit Intune policies and profiles directly from Nerdio. We can create a policy or profile by going to Endpoints, then to Policy Management. From here, we can create a policy or profile. For example, we can create a new compliance policy by clicking on Create. Select our policy type. We can use the JSON editor to modify the new policy. For example, we can edit the display name, and create our new policy. Next, if we want to modify an existing policy, we can go to Edit from the policy. From here, we can use the JSON editor to modify the policy settings. Once we've made our changes, we can confirm. And that modifies an existing policy. We can create and edit compliance policies, configuration profiles, security baselines, conditional access, Intune app policies, and Windows update rings with the new editor functionality. That is how to create and update policies and profiles for Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 5.5.